Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a circle stencil. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a good quality circle stencil, your preferred drawing surface like paper, and a fine-tipped pencil or pen. Make sure your workspace is flat and brightly lit. This helps you see clearly and prevents shadows. Carefully place the stencil on your paper, ensuring it lies completely flat. This initial setup is crucial for achieving perfectly round circles every time. When selecting your stencil, look for one offering a wide range of circle sizes, perhaps from 1 millimeter up to 40 millimeters in diameter. This versatility is key for different projects. For drawing, a mechanical pencil with a 0.5 millimeter lead or a fine-tip pen works best. These tools ensure crisp, precise lines. Also, think about your paper. A heavier stock, around 100 grams per square meter, is ideal, especially if you plan to use markers, to avoid any ink bleeding through. Now for the drawing itself. With one hand, press down firmly on the stencil to keep it from moving. This is perhaps the most important step for accuracy. Using your other hand, carefully trace the inside edge of the desired circle opening. Start and end your lines smoothly. Apply consistent, light pressure to your pencil or pen. This technique helps create a clean, unbroken circle. Take your time. Rushing can lead to wobbly lines or smudges. For larger circles, you might find it helpful to rotate the stencil slightly as you trace, ensuring a perfectly continuous line. After each use, gently wipe your stencil with a soft, dry cloth to remove any pencil graphite or smudges. This keeps it clean for future projects. Circle stencils are incredibly versatile, perfect for technical illustrations, crafting projects like card making, or adding precise geometric elements to your artwork. They are an invaluable tool for achieving consistent, professional-looking circles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.